Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is about how to find motivation when you lose it. Following your dreams can be a great thing. You live for something big. You have a purpose in life, unlike most of people. But at some point you feel dragged down and you lose your motivation, whether because the stress of daily life or something inside you. So, how to charge up again your motivation to keep going forward towards your goals? 1. Remind yourself of your goals. Write down your goals in a big sheet of paper and place this paper in front of your desk or your bed so you can see it often. This will remind you of your goal and invite you to work on it, even on deep levels like your subconscious when you sleep. 2. Remember your why you started in the first place. Keeping a note next to you about the reasons why you are doing what you're doing is a great way to keep you moving and working harder. The why question will make you work even when you lack motivation. 3. Be around people who are motivated. Being around motivated people will give you the energy you need to work harder. They will inspire you, and their motivation will be so contagious and get to you at the end. On the contrary, when you lack motivation and you are surrounded by negative or lazy people, they will transfer all their negative energy to you, which you want to avoid in the first place. 4. Motions create emotions. Act as if that you are motivated, even if you're not. Walk like you're motivated. Stand tall, keep your head high, and breathe slowly. Start your work even if you don't feel like it, and pretend that you are motivated. And guess what? You will feel motivated within less than 5 minutes. 5. Embrace the pain. Whatever you are pursuing, force yourself to do the work, whether going to the gym, a meeting, the office, or even writing a blog. You don't want that, but you're forcing yourself and embracing the pain of doing it, which can have a great positive impact on you when getting results. 6. Clear your head by meditation. When you meditate, you refresh your mind and you develop through the year a laser beam focus that you need for your goals. Meditation will clear your mind from any negative or counterproductive idea that would make you lose your focus on your target. 7. If you are tired, rest. Sleeping enough is a great way to stay healthy, motivated, and ready to deal with any new challenge or situation. Sleep at least 7 to 9 hours a day for better results and motivation. 8. Focus on results. Forget about motivation and focus on results. You will not think for a moment of your emotions because you are totally absorbed to get the results you want. Getting more done is the best way to stay motivated because of the hormone that keeps you high, energetic, and happy. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more interesting videos, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends.